Yo guys, what's up? Welcome to the channel. Today we're doing pull-ups. We're building that strength of our upper body in a natural way. We're going to save time, we're going to be efficient, and we're going to go at our own pace. Follow along and let's work. Like and subscribe. Guys, what's up? We came in here to work out. Today we're doing pull-ups. Grab your gear. You ain't got a pull-up bar at your house. Find you a gym. Let's go. We're doing classic pull-ups. Make sure your grip is shoulder width apart and exhale as you're pulling up. We got 3 sets, so you set your pace. Rest up 10 seconds. Second round coming up. Second set, let's get it. Tighten up that core. Rest up, you deserve it. But we got another set. I know you're tired, but we got chin-ups. Start with a narrow grip. Place your hands so that your palms are in front of your face and tighten up your core. Rest and grab water, and we're gonna get back at it. Pull-ups, I try to tighten up my core, so as you come up, try to squeeze that core and get all the muscles. You're gonna feel it sore in your arms and your shoulders and your core. Keep going, keep pushing, keep fighting. Come up, breathe, inhale, exhale. We're on our second set of chin-ups. Let's go. We're doing flat pull-ups. I want you guys focusing on your posture. Tighten up your core and make sure your muscles are working. We got 10 seconds of shadow boxing. We're keeping that heart rate elevated. We're keeping those muscles loose, trying not to get hurt, and we're working. Next up, Tarzan Pullups. Get a good grip, elevate yourself, pick yourself up, and alternate left and right. Next up, dead hangs. Make sure your grip is shoulder width apart. We're working that upper back, the shoulders, the core, and we're working that forearm. Rest break, breathe, grab your water, and let's get back to it. Hold that pose and tighten those abs. And guys, with this workout, you may lose your grip. You may need to start over, but we're looking for improvement. Dead hangs, last set, make it count. Yo guys, that's a wrap. Like and subscribe to the page.